Boy. Hi, are you studying today?
Yes, I have an exam soon.
Oh, which subject is the exam?
It is a math exam tomorrow.
Math needs calm and focus.
Yes, I am practicing small problems.
That is a good way.
What about you? Studying today?
Yes, I have a science test.
Science tests are interesting.
Yes, but I must revise more.
Do you make short notes?
Yes, notes help me remember.
Same. I use simple notes too.
Short notes save a lot time.
Do you study in the morning?
Yes, morning feels very peaceful.
Same. My mind works better.
Morning study feels more clear.
Do you take small breaks?
Yes, breaks help me stay fresh.
I take a break every hour.
That is a good method.
I get sleepy while studying sometimes.
Same. I wash my face then.
Good idea. That wakes you up.
Yes, it helps me continue.
Okay, I will study again now.
Yes, I should study too.
Good luck for your test.
Good luck for your exam.
Thank you. Talk later.
Sure. Bye.